In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the fill tool in Affinity Designer. If you're new to vector graphics or just want cleaner, faster color control, this tool is essential. By the end, you'll know how to open your project, select a shape, choose the fill tool, pick a color, and refine the gradient directly on the canvas. I'll keep it clear, practical, and right to the point. Start by opening Affinity Designer on your computer and loading the document you want to work on. If you're starting fresh, create a new canvas and place a simple shape like a rectangle or circle so you can clearly see the fill changes. It helps to zoom in a little so the on-canvas controls are easy to grab. The main toolbar sits along the left, and your color controls are typically toward the top right of the interface. Next, click the shape you want to fill. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box or nodes around it. If it doesn't select right away, make sure you're clicking the shape itself and that the correct layer is active in the Layers panel. Keeping the object selected is important because any fill you apply will target whatever is currently active. Now choose the Fill tool on the left toolbar. Its icon looks like a gradient bar, and the keyboard shortcut is often G, which is handy to remember. Once the Fill tool is active, the context toolbar at the top will show settings related to the fill. With your shape selected, the Fill tool lets you manipulate color transitions visually right on the object so you can see your adjustments in real time. Head to the top right to select a color. You can use the color panel or swatches depending on your preference. Make sure the fill swatch is active rather than the stroke so that the interior of the shape changes color. If you don't see the update, quickly reselect the shape and try the color again. Affinity Designer applies changes to the active selection. Finally, adjust the gradient by dragging your mouse across the shape. Click and drag to create a gradient line. The direction you drag sets the angle, and the length sets how gradually the color transitions. Move the endpoints to reposition the start and end, and slide the midpoint to balance the transition. For a softer fade, extend the line. For a sharper change, make it shorter. Take a moment to try a few drags until the fill looks just right for your design. And that's it. Simple, precise control of color using the Fill tool in Affinity Designer.